And look to the temperature map as we had a lot of warm temperatures around last week, and this weekend wasn't all that bad either, but it's chilly now. We have temperatures still in the 30s just after 12 o'clock. We're starting to see a few of those lower 40s across portions of central Virginia, but look at Chantilly, 38, same as Germantown there, Frederick 37, Hagerstown 36, and as well as Martinsburg and Cumberland there. So we're just a few degrees above freezing for the most part, and it is quite a bit chillier than yesterday. We were already into the 50s by this point on your Sunday afternoon, so we're running about 20 degrees colder, and those north winds that have been rather blustery since yesterday, well, they've calmed down a little bit for the most part here today. We are still seeing occasional gusts up to 15 to 20 miles an hour, but again, they at least had their effect though throughout the day yesterday, now keeping us on the colder side of things here today. Cloud cover, well, it's been out there at times streaming in from the northwest. Really, it's just those high clouds that we're dealing with. Still plenty of blue sky and some sunshine mixed in there for the time being. But as we go into the late afternoon hours, we're going to expect those clouds to begin to increase because well off to the west, you can see the next storm system, the very outer edges of it anyway, beginning to progress up the Ohio River Valley and toward the four-state region here. So first we'll encounter those clouds later this evening, and this system is going to be weakening as it arrives, so precipitation is going to struggle to get going and likely does not start until we get into the very early morning hours on Tuesday. So those clouds, again, they will be returning just before sunset here today. And I mentioned that precipitation, and with how cold it is out there, yes, it does look like we have the potential for some wintry precipitation very early Tuesday morning, mostly in the form of light freezing rain, and that could lead to some slick spots out there tomorrow morning, no doubt. And then we'll see another stronger system arrive Thursday into Friday, this one bringing more rainfall than anything else. So let's check out the timing here. There's the clouds arriving as we head into the evening time, and precipitation will begin to try to nudge into the area. It's going to run into a lot of dry air, however, so notice how Future Tracker is having problems picking up on that precipitation tomorrow morning. Nonetheless, we can still expect some light freezing drizzle and rainfall to be possible through the morning hours and even continuing into the day on Tuesday. Most of the viewing areas should just see isolated rain showers at that point, but there could still be some wintry precipitation further north into southern Pennsylvania until this system does exit out of here. So like I was mentioning, those typical locations in the highest elevations, like say South Mountain, and then also up toward the Laurel Highlands of southern Pennsylvania, the Allegheny Highlands of western Maryland, that's where a glaze of ice could be possible tomorrow morning. So just take caution. This shouldn't be a high impact event, but the possibility for that icing is there. And then as we go through the rest of the week, we have some much needed rainfall still in the picture on Thursday and Friday.